Welcome back, guys. In this video I will be producing the sketch in AutoCAD. So what I have here is a sketch of a bottle from the previous video. Um, so the first thing to do is to establish a ratio and a proportion, and for this is basically a series of rectangles that are joined together. Here is one rectangle, here is the second rectangle, third, fourth, and fifth rectangle. The key here is to use the appropriate ratio and proportion. So the first step is to type rectangle, REC for rectangle, enter, left click, and let that be like that. Something established. So this now becomes the ratio or the datum or the benchmark for measurements. Space bar to reactivate rectangle, left click, drag to about here to create that. Move, M for move, enter. Space bar to reactivate rectangle. Left click here for rectangle. Left click. And this is now a smaller piece. That should be good. Again, M for move, enter. Choose here as the base point. Drop right there. That is now this. Now this piece up here, REC for rectangle, enter. Left click here and left click there. Next step is to move, M, enter for move. Shaka. If ball play, yes. Yeah, man. Huh? Huh? Oh, it's a ball play, right? Alright, cool. Supposed to confirm and let me know. Yeah, man. Left click here. Left click there. I think this is a little close. M for move, enter. Alright. The next step is to draw the upper section. REC, enter. Left click here, then drag. Left click there. And circle C, enter. Left click here. About 12, 1, 2, enter. I don't know. And circle C. Alright, so that would be that down there. Alright. Copy C, O, enter. Left click here. Left click there. Escape. Spline. SPL for spline, enter. Left click here. Left click there. Left click there. SPL, SPL, enter. Deactivate this. left click here, left click here, left click there, and trim, TR, enter, enter. And then I could probably copy this, CO, enter, choose you as a base point, down to here, and that seems to be it. I'll then trim off the excess, TR, enter, enter. Delete. Now I don't want those sharp edges, so I want a little fillet on those edges. F for fillet, enter. Alright, C, enter. I want the fillet radius of about 2 or 1. F, enter. Radius, enter. 1, enter. Click here, click there. F, enter. R, enter. 2, enter. What's up with this? Why this is not F, enter. R, enter. Enter. Not quite sure why this doesn't want to work. Not quite sure why this doesn't want to work. Alright, let me use a different technique for this then. This is even a problem. Circle 10, 10, 10. Alright, 10, 10 radius. Circle 10, 10 radius. C, enter. 10, 10 radius. X, enter. Explore this. Let me see if I can get any difference. I'm not quite sure why this doesn't want to fillet. Circle, enter. Then fillet, F, enter. F for fillet, enter. Radius, enter. Enter. It's not filleting. It's not filleting. Alright. 10, 10 radius. radius of 2, enter. Not working. It's not working. All right. Those things do happen when you're using AutoCAD. Those things do happen. So my next move now is to just use boundary, B-O-U-N-D-O, boundary, pick, enter. Alright, so I guess having some issues with that, but so that's safe for now. Um, so move. Alright, let me draw a line here, which will be my base point. M for move, enter. Here's the base point. Drop right here. Delete. Explode. Trim. TR, enter, enter. And I think that pretty much that is that. I think that is that. Oh, I want to add my logo here. Rectangle. One six, enter. 1 6, enter. So